what if I can tell you that you can still download a TikTok video and use it on YouTube? In this video, I want to take you through how to open or how to download any TikTok video using Windows, and then you use it on YouTube. Okay, if you find this useful, please subscribe, share, and like, and try to comment down and ask me some questions if you have them. Let's go to the video and see how you can get a TikTok video and use it. You download it using Windows. Let's go. Now here, what you're going to do, you are going to come here into the web browser and you type SSS TikTok. It has appeared the way you are seeing it right there. Now, when you type SS TikTok into your browser, it is going to actually bring that browser and then bring a TikTok logo. So what you do, you continue and go here, right here, TikTok downloader, and then you press it. So the moment you place a TikTok downloader, it is going to bring this interface. The moment it brings this interface, you have to go to a TikTok account and then you get a video link and then you put it here so that you can download it. Sometimes it may refuse downloading, but you have to check for another TikTok downloader. There are actually very many, not only one. We shall see them one by one as long as we stay close. Let's continue and find out how can we get a TikTok video so that you can download it and then you see how it is done. Let's go. Now, still on your browser here, we are going to say, we are going to add another window. Then we go to TikTok. TikTok, you type it in here. TikTok, and then you see it enter. Then you go to TikTok right there. When you reach on TikTok, actually, I don't want this page. I want a TikTok page, which is this one. I think you can see it. And I hit enter. Now TikTok will have to open up. So the moment TikTok opens, like this, what we will do, now we are going to get a link from this TikTok video and then we transfer it to our TikTok downloader. Okay, let's go on. We share here, you have to share here. Let's assume that we get another video. Like this one. Then you will go to share, then copy link here, right here. No need playing too much of the video. After we share the video, then we go come back here and then we try to paste what we have copied from TikTok. Let's go. We are already on this page. Then we paste it here. And then you hit download. Then you continue here without watermark. Then you remove the advert. Then you close the advert. Then it opens here right on your window. Then it says I didn't set it to capture it. So this is how we download TikTok videos using Windows, and then still you can use all those TikTok videos and then you post them on YouTube. You post them anywhere without any restriction. If you feel that this video has helped you, try to comment right down, then I will come and teach you more that you'd like to do or you'd like to learn. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I urge you to like this video. Thank you. Find you in another video.